Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
Which of the following shapes has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges? And tetrahedron. Tetrahedron is a wonderful shape. And so it's an equilateral triangle, an equilateral triangle and an equilateral triangle. 3 equilateral triangles on an equilateral triangle as a base. So the base here is also an equilateral triangle. So there is a base which is an equilateral triangle, and then 3 equilateral triangles climb up from there vertically. And so this is a shape that is effectively 4 equilateral triangles. So it has 4 faces. We can compute the number of edges, vertices and all that, but 5 faces, 5 vertices, straight away tetrahedron is not that shape. Right. Wonderful. So it has only 4 faces, so we can eliminate that straight away. Square pyramid. Square pyramid is very much like the tetrahedron, except the base is a square. And so the base underlying is a square. On the square, you find a point right in the middle on the surface, on the peak, and then raised surfaces. So a square base and 4 triangular sides surfaces make a square pyramid. This is wonderful because the square base gives us one surface, one face. The 4 triangles give us 4 surfaces. So this has 5 faces. Brilliant. And so that's 5 faces that we've already counted. Now let us go to counting the vertices. The square base gives us 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. One right at the top is 5. Brilliant. So it has 5 faces and 5 vertices. So far so good. Will it have 8 edges as well? Think about it. The square base gives us 4 edges. And so I'm going to change the color of this marker so that I can show you the bases, the edges here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. The square base has these. Then these lines 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges. So square pyramid it is. I'm going to check out the other 2 shapes as well. Triangular prism. And so the triangular prism is a brilliant shape because it's a triangle on one base, triangle at the other end, and each of the sides of the triangle there is a rectangle sitting there connecting it. So how many faces does it have? 1 triangle here, 1 triangle here. So 1 surface, 1, and 3 rectangles. So the number of faces is 5. Brilliant. So that part is satisfied. Number of vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 vertices. So this is also not the correct answer. And how many edges? We can calculate that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. So it has 5 faces, 6 vertices and 9 edges. And so this does not correspond to these numbers. So the square pyramid is the right answer. Both of these are wrong. Right circular cylinder has a curved surface. So we cannot count in terms of planar faces. So the whole terminology becomes not relevant. So we can eliminate this straight away. It has a curved surface. When you say faces and vertices and edges, when you talk about faces, we talk about planar surfaces. Want something that is flat. This has a curved surface. So we cannot plug in the formula v minus e plus f. We cannot count number of faces. So we'll leave that alone. So wonderful. So the surface that has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges is a square pyramid.